What do you want to do, dude?
None, Paul, just running. Yeah.
Fool, you want to kill some people?
Oh, you fool. Woofo.
I'm gonna go now. I'll be back.
Okay, I got my block. Let's
go over there. Let's go. I'm gonna choke some people. Feel like it.
What should I shoot?
A dinosaur, dude. Dinosaur. Let's go.
Choke him.
Where the hell was Black Yoshi? Huh? What'd you do? Huh?
Yeah, take that. What's gonna do with that?
He's there.
There's a bounce ball in there. Yeah, fool. Got him. How do we get that? Oh, hold on. I gotta put down my block. Okay. I got it.
What the hell are you doing a bouncy ball for? You like freaking preschool or something?
No, never mind, bro. I don't have that bounce ball. What
the hell are you doing here?
I'm a girl.
I thought we broke up with this. Huh?
I thought you beat Yoshi. I thought you killed her.
Dude, remember the final one we saw her? She's like, remember?
Yeah, I remember that.
No,
Idiot.